Hi, grade 2 Emirati syllabus second term. Today I will start the first unit in this term. But before I will go to our unit today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. This video for Emirati syllabus grade 2 second term. Let's go to our unit today. I would like, first of all, I would like to represent or introduce your second term units. In this unit, we have some topics. Let's know it together. What we eat, fruits and vegetables. I'm hungry. Fantastic animals, animal moves, animal bodies, outdoor adventures, and caring. And the last unit, it will be caring for planet Earth. Today, I will start the first unit, which is what we eat. Let's go to our unit today. In this unit, we learn we have some vocab and we must read it and spell these new words. Here in this unit, we know is an art to talk about healthy and unhealthy food. We say if the type of food is healthy or not healthy. We read a short text and answer questions and write sample sentence about food. Let's go to our unit today. Today, we will learn healthy and unhealthy food. I think this topic we took in Egyptian syllabus something like this. We say healthy and unhealthy food, and we know which food that is good and which food is not good for our health. Let's go to learn more about this topic. Here we have cereal. I would like to repeat it with me. Cereal, bread, meat. I will repeat. Cereal, bread, and meat. Here we have fish, cheese, burger, fries, sweets, soda. You can guess with me what is the healthy and what is the unhealthy food. Cereal is healthy or not healthy? Yes, I'm listening. You saying it's healthy. Bread is healthy. Yes, it's healthy. Meat healthy. Cheese healthy. Fish healthy. The rest of the food, is it healthy? Burger, soda, sweets, and fries. I think all of us saying all this not and this is unhealthy food, not healthy. When we eat it once a week is not bad. But this is called unhealthy food because here is burger. I think burger is the fast food, and we know that fast food is bad for our health. Let's go to another item here. Here is we have questions and we answer. Here we say meat. Where is meat here? So I select this one by this one. This is meat. Cereal, this one by this one. Bread, this one by this one. Burger, this one by this one. Cheese, this one by this one. I will go to the rest of the sentence because I don't want to make the line move with me. Here we have fish. Where is fish? This one. So I select fish by this one. This is called fish. Soda. Soda is at the below this picture. Here is soda. Where is soda here? Soda here is I select this one by this one. Sweets this one by this one. Fries this one by this one. So I will repeat it again. Meat. Here is meat. This is meat. Cereal. This is cereal. Bread. This is bread. Burger. Where is burger here? This one by this one. Cheese. This one by this one. Fish. This one by this picture. Soda. This one by this one. Sweets. This one by this one, fries this one by this one. Let's go to answer the question below. We have the trace. Here is in this part, we trace the words that we learned. Here we learn in this part, we learn meat, cereal, bread, burger, cheese, soda, fish, sweets, and fries. I will leave the link of the booklet below the video to download it and trace these words. Let's go to another one here. Here we say, read the sentence and then number the pictures. Here we say, I eat cereals in the morning. Next one, we make burgers at home. My dad cooks meat. We eat fish on Friday. I like fresh bread. He eats sweets. Let's go to answer the questions here. Here we say, I eat cereal in the morning. This picture. So I select this. So the first picture is this one. The next one. This is the first picture. This is the first sentence by this picture. The next one, we make burgers at home. This one. So I select this one by this one. This one by this one. My dad cooks meat. This one by this one. So I select this one by this one. We eat fish on Fridays. Here is fish. This is fish. I like fresh bread. This is fresh bread. He eats sweets. Which one eats sweets? This one by this one. Let's go to another one here. Here is we have missing letters. I answered two of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Here is cheese, and here is soda. I think now we learn how to write these words. I will leave it to do it by yourself. You come back to your mind. Here is S. Here is D. The missing letters. If you keep the vocab, you answer this question correct easily. Okay. Here we say healthy and unhealthy food. Let's go to to make salt or make types of healthy food. So I will give you the food and say healthy or not healthy. Fresh, here is fresh fries. It will be healthy or not unhealthy? No, it will be unhealthy. So I will write un means unhealthy. Melon, watermelon, it will be is healthy. Why? Because it's fruit. So it will be healthy. Okay. Rice, it's healthy, but don't take it too much, okay? But don't take rice too much, okay? It is healthy, but don't eat it more than usual, okay? Here is carrot, yes, healthy. I write healthy food the first, then I write unhealthy food, okay? Here is unhealthy food. Here is where is the healthy? Here is also apple is healthy or unhealthy? Healthy. So now we know how many foods here are healthy. This one, 2, 3, 4. Here is 5, 6. I think you have six pictures that healthy. Here is healthy also. The milk is healthy. The egg is healthy also. So all these are healthy or not? All these are healthy. And fish also is healthy or unhealthy. Fish also healthy. So fish also healthy. Okay. So now we have more than one healthy food. Okay. I counted to you to know how many food here are healthy. Okay. Let's go. Let's do note him. Here we say, where is healthy food? Here is healthy. Here is healthy. Here is healthy. Here is healthy. Healthy. Egg is healthy, and here is healthy. Hot dog is healthy? No, it's unhealthy. So I put it. I put you and to say this is unhealthy. Cupcake is unhealthy. Burger is healthy or unhealthy. So I put here unhealthy. Soda is the hero of unhealthy drinks. Unhealthy. Here is any food and other food that is unhealthy. I will go to know more about this. So here we have also French fries is what is unhealthy. So the unhealthy food it will be here French fries, soda. Here is we have the unhealthy food here. I would like to note here is French fries is unhealthy, soda is unhealthy, cupcake is unhealthy, hot dog is unhealthy, burgers is unhealthy. So all these cupcake is unhealthy. All these food are unhealthy. So now we know the healthy and unhealthy, and I will leave it to do it by yourself. Here is we have also the classification of healthy and unhealthy food. So here we can say I answer some of them here in this part. Here we have egg is unhealthy or unhealthy. Here egg is healthy. Here is we have juice is healthy. Yes, juice is healthy because it's fresh from the fresh fruit. Juice is healthy. Meat is healthy. Yes, meat is healthy. Fruit is healthy. Yes, fruit is healthy. Fruit is healthy. Fruit is healthy. Okay, all this healthy food. I don't write it of them. I write some of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Here is burger is unhealthy or healthy. Burger is unhealthy. So I write here burger is unhealthy. Soda is unhealthy. Okay, soda is unhealthy. Sweets more than unusual. It will be unhealthy. more than usual. Okay, if we eat it more than usual, if we eat it once a day, once a day, or once a week, or any things like this, yes, but don't eat it more than usual. Okay, more than usual. Here is fries is healthy or unhealthy? Yes, fries is unhealthy. Okay, all this unhealthy, but if we take it in limited limited in limited if eat it in limited in limited quality is correct, is good. If we eat it more than usual, it will be unhealthy. Okay, here is we have burger, we have soda, we have sweets, we have fries, all these unhealthy foods. The healthy food, it will be egg, juice, meat, fruit, and milk. Milk also is from healthy. Fish is healthy food. All these the food that are healthy. Let's go to another item here. Here we have the words, and we put it in the suitable place. Here I want to space bread for breakfast. It will be here what? It will be here some. Without thinking, it will be here some bread. There is one apple, so I write here one apple. If we have an N, I put N. Space, you hungry yesterday. So here we have yesterday, and yesterday is the keywords of what? Of past simple. So in verb to be, we use past simple what? Was and where. Verb to be in the past, it will be here what? Was and where. So I select if we have was or where. I first of all I see the pronoun and select the verb as a pronoun that we have here. Here we have you. So I put here where, because where is with the pronoun you take, because here we have where with pronoun you. Okay, so I would like to remind you with the past, the verb to be in the past, the pronouns that take cause and others that takes where. I, he, she, it. Take what? Take has. Take was. Sorry. Take was. Okay. Take was in the past. You, we, they, they. Take what? Take where. So you, we, they take where in the past form. Okay. Here is where. You, we, they take where. I, he, she, it take was. Okay. Now we know now we know the pronouns that take was and pronouns that takes were. Okay. Let's continue the rest of the exercise here. Here we say, my friend will, here is my friend. So here here I answer the three sentence. I will delete this sentence because the lines move with me. So here we say you hungry yesterday. Here is it would be where my friend will space with me to restaurant with what with come with me. They space a healthy lunch. They here is we say they space a healthy lunch. They make a healthy lunch. She space at the supermarket. To be here, she was at the supermarket. Okay, here we have the words come, some, one, where, make. All these the words that I would like to know it. Okay, so here we have some vocab we learned. We learn in the first unit. We learn the words meat, thrill, burger, fish, sweets. Here is we learn cereal, bread, meat, burger, cheese, fish, fries, sweets, and soda. This is the words that we learned here in this part. In this part, we learn another words that let's know it together, which is here we have come, some, one, make, was, and where. This is the words we know here in this part. So here we have a rule, a grammar rule here. I would like to know it with me, to learn with me this rule, which is countable and uncountable nouns. What is the meaning of countable and uncountable nouns? Countable means things that can count. It means say 1, 2, 3, and so on. Things that counted. things that I can count, that I can count. I can count. I can count. Okay. I say when we count it, I say 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay. Uncountable nouns, nouns that can't count. That can't count. Okay. Like what? You can give me an example for for nouns that I can count it. Yes, water, milk, juice. All these called uncountable nouns. The countable nouns here is apple, bananas, burgers. Here we know countable and uncountables as a food that we learn in this unit. Okay, so now we know the countable noun is the things that I can count it. Uncountable nouns things I can't count it. Let's continue the rest of the of this item here. Let's go to continue it. So here count things that count 1, 2, 3, and so on. Here's uncountable nouns that things that we can count it. Let's go to another. Let's go to here in this part to know which countable and which uncountable. Here is we have countable. Can you select me things that countable? Is milk is countable? No, it's what it could be uncountable. Burger is countable or uncountable? Burger here is countable. Fries is uncountable. Sweets here is countable. So here we have burger, we have sweets, we have also what we have also banana is countable. Uncountable here it will be here soda, it will be here milk, it will be here fries. This is uncountable noun. So here in countable and uncountable nouns we use is or are. Here when we talk about the uncountable nouns, I treat it as a singular, like what? Like water, like soda, like all this we treat it as singular. So here we say soda is or are, it will be here is. Burgers, it will be here are. Bread, it will be here is. Why is? Because here bread is uncountable and treated as singular. Okay, let's continue the rest of the exercise. If we say loaf or loaves of bread, it will be here all. But here we will talk about the bread as a whole. It will be treated as singular. Okay. Fries, I would like to say fries is countable now. It's countable. So here we have countable. It will be here burger. So here it will be here fries. It will be here banana and sweets are countable. Here is burger is uncountable. Soda is uncountable. Milk is uncountable. Okay, now we know this. Let's go to another one here. Space, write the names of the food. Space is healthy. Which one is healthy here? It will be here bread. I write here bread. Bread is healthy. So here I talk about I talk about bread. So I treated is uncountable, treated as singular. Space are healthy. It will be here what? Space are healthy. Apples. It will be here apples are healthy. Space is unhealthy. Sweet is unhealthy. Is here to be here. Burger is unhealthy. Burger is unhealthy. To be here. Burger is unhealthy. Space is unhealthy. Sweets. Sweets is unhealthy. Okay. Sweets is unhealthy. Let's continue the rest of the exercise here. Here we have reading and I answer the questions below. Let's do it together. Here we say Ahmad's food choices. So here we talk about choices. I would like to say that we took something like that in our syllabus Discover in Egypt. We took something choices of Ahmad. Okay, Ahmad is a happy boy who like many kinds of food. For breakfast, he eats cereal and bread. They are healthy foods. For lunch, Ahmad sometimes eats meat or fish with cheese. But on Fridays, Ahmad eats burgers and fries with his friend. He knows they are unhealthy. So here now Ahmad knows that fries and burgers are what are unhealthy food, but he eats them only sometimes. So if we eat it in with limited times, limited times more than usual, so it will be not to be not unhealthy. Okay, if we eat it more than usual. Okay, if we don't eat it more than usual. Ahmed never drinks soda because it's unhealthy. He drinks water instead. Ahmed tries to make good choices and eat more healthy food every day. So what does Ahmed eat for breakfast here? As we know, cereal and bread. So I select which one I was selecting, this one. What does Ahmed eat for lunch sometimes? Sometimes we eat what? For lunch sometimes eat what here? Meat and fish. Here, as you know, meat and fish. Here is meat and fish. What food does Ahmed eat on Fridays? As we know here, what? Burgers and fries. The things that we can eat it as usual. Okay, this is the food that we eat in only in Fridays. Okay. Why doesn't Ahmed drink soda? Why Ahmed doesn't drink soda? Because it's unhealthy, not expensive. It's unhealthy. Okay. Here is expensive also, but it's unhealthy. In another way, it's unhealthy. So here in this part, we make rearrange. I would like to know this rule with me. There is subject plus verb plus object. When we make this question, we must write this rule to answer this question. Okay. First of all, I search for the subject. The subject can be noun or pronoun. Okay. The subject can be both. It can be any one of these. Can be noun or a pronoun. Okay. What the noun and what pronoun is, Iman? When we say Ahmed plays football, or I omit Ahmed and replace Ahmed by he. So this is called pronoun. So subject can be noun or pronoun. Here is the verb, the action that the one who doing, then the object. Let's do let's apply this rule in this sentence. It will be here what? It will be here soda is the subject. Soda is the subject. Where is the verb? Is what? Is unhealthy. So here I rearrange this sentence as it is. Okay. I think now we learn how to how to answer the rearrange. I think this question is very easy. Now I tell you how to do it, but I think now it will be easy to do it. Okay, before we do this question, we must write this rule to be easy to answer the question this question. Okay, here we say what a salat. A salat is the subject. Where is the verb here? Can search with me with the verb. Here is a salat. What is what is healthy? Is healthy. Okay. So now I answer two sentences. I will leave the rest of the sentence. Now we know how to do it. I will leave the rest to do it by yourself because I know that you are clever and you can do it. Okay. I will leave this sentence for you to do it by yourself. Okay. Here is in this part, we give you the rules that we must do it during the writing. During the writing, we must start the sentence by capital letter, leave a space between each word. Then we can see if the sentence is interrogative or question. I put question mark. If it's exclamation, I put exclamation mark. If the sentence is statement, I put full stop. I will leave the rest to do it by yourself is a homework. Let's do, here is the phonics, OA. Let's read it together. Here is boat, 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 road, 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 goat, 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 soup, soup, soup. I will repeat again. Boat, 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 road, 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 goat, 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 soup, soup, soup. Okay, here is the missing letters here. I will leave it to do it by yourself. I answer two of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as well. Here is we have soup. We have we have fruit. Here is flute, flute. I think fruit, fruit. Here is we have goat, flute. Here is fruit, and here is goat. Here is we have here is we have boot. Here is we have boot. Here is road. Here is we have road. Okay, here is soup, flute, here is flute, here is goat, boot, and so on. Let's go to another one here. Here is what? Here is boat. Here is coat. Here is here what? Here is toad. Here is toad. Okay. Here, so I replace. I put. I answer the sentence, but with OA, like soup, road. Here is soup, road, goat. All this boat, coat. Here is we have in this part we draw the healthy and unhealthy food. Now we know the healthy and unhealthy food, and you can draw it here in this part. But we say here write the food of the lunch meal, like what? Like meat, like fish, like meat, fish, rice, and so on. Draw it here in this part. By this item, we end from our video today. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.